Hey everyone, this is Sid from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to completely remove your top and bottom panels on your PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So do you want to increase the storage capacity on the PlayStation 5 and install a new SSD, or just remove the panels so you can clean your PlayStation? How would you go ahead and do that? Well, this is very easy. So let's first start right here on this side. So I can see the PlayStation logo located right here. Now all we have to do is get a firm grip on our PlayStation, and this won't take a lot of force to lift off the cover and take it off, but you don't want your PlayStation 5 to go falling off the table or something else. So locate this side right here and lift up and then pull that direction. So this is going to be away from me. So I'm going to lift up right here and pull away, and the cover lifted off very easily. Did not take a lot of force. However, you could accidentally drop your PlayStation. So make sure you're holding it pretty firmly. So now you can see the fan, and you can go ahead and clean your PlayStation. Now let's flip it over, and then on the opposite side here, we will see our disk drive. Now we want to go diagonal and go to this side, located right here. And I'm going to go ahead and lift up on this corner right here, and then I'm going to pull towards me. So let's do that. And you heard a snap, and the cover now has come off. Now we can go ahead and see our expansion bay on our PlayStation 5, where we can go ahead and install our SSD and increase the storage capacity on our PlayStation 5. Just go ahead and unscrew it right here and drop in your M.2 SSD. So it's very easy to remove the panels on your PlayStation 5. It only took me about 10 seconds. So if this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.